So hello children, today we come to the third part of our lesson on speed, distance, time. In the part 1 just I have given you the concept, and in the part 2 we have done half of the chapter, exercise 9, and in today's part, maybe this is the concluding part, we are going to finish this exercise. Okay, so here I again start with very easy sum to give you concept. So we have three formulas children. First one is speed is distance by time, second one is distance is speed into time, and third is time is distance by speed. So here in the first question we have to find speed in kilometer per hour or meter per second as the case may be. So distance is 240. So as I told you, speed is distance traveled in unit time. So once you divide with time, we get distance traveled in unit time. 8 3s are 24 kilometer per hour. So in 1 hour, that particular vehicle, if you have, human being cannot go with this speed. So it goes 80 kilometer in 1 hour. So 3 hours we go to 240 kilometers. So you can draw a diagram: 80 kilometer, 80 kilometer, 80 kilometer. Okay, in 1 hour, 1 hour and 1 hour. 80 kilometer, 80 kilometer, 80 kilometer. So in 3 hours, that vehicle goes 240 kilometer if you see question in 3 hours. Okay, so speed is distance by time. Second part we have here also, speed is distance by time. So speed distance is given in kilometer. Time children, you convert always a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 9 by 2. And now here I was telling you, when you use this, you can write it like this, but better I told you, use this division, write it like this traditional division, and once division changes to multiplication, denominator goes up, numerator comes down. 9 3s are 27, so we get 600 kilometer per hour. Okay, speed is 600 kilometer per hour. Here also you can write the unit children, because these are not numbers but units. So in 1 hour 600 kilometer, 4 hour 2400 kilometer, and in half an hour 300 kilometer. Half an hour 300. So 24 plus 300, 2700 kilometer. So you can always verify your answer children. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we'll go on to the next sum. So next children, we move on to question 1 part 5. It's a very easy question, but here you see it's meter and second. So in my part 1 video I told you, when distance is in meter and time is in second, your speed will come 4 5s are 25 meter per second. So if you draw a diagram, line diagram, which generally I explain lot of question on speed, distance, time. So in 1 second children, I go 5 meter, another second I go 5 meter, third second I go 5 meter, so if you verify your answer, each second I am going 5 meter. So in 4 seconds if you see, I go 5 5 5, 5 4s are 20 meter I go. So here we verify the answer also. So now we will go to the little harder question. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we will do 3-4 harder questions. So next we move on to a very nice question. This is a very practical question children. A man walks a length of the street in 18 minutes at a speed of 6 km per hour. See the difference in unit. This is in minute, this is in kilometer per hour. So either this should be in second and this in meter, and if this is in kilometer per hour, this should be in hour. So what we do, children, you divide by 60 and I convert it to 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are 60. I convert it into hour. 18 minute is 3/10 of an hour. See, 6 minute is 1/10 of an hour, so 18 minute is 3/10. 6 minute is 1/10 of an hour, 6 by 50. Now, distance, children. So find the length of the street means we have to find the distance, children. So distance is speed into time. Speed into time. We use the second formula. So speed is 6, and now this is in kilometer per hour and this is in hour. Our answer will be in kilometer. Time is 3/10 of an hour. So my answer will be in kilometer. So I get 18/10 kilometer means 1.8 kilometer he walked on that street. So once more, time you have to convert to hour. Okay, other method would have been convert this to second and convert this to meter per second. I've taught you the conversion in the very first video. Actually, for class 6 you don't need that much. Okay, but since I thought you should know it better at this stage, therefore I have taught you, because that concept is needed basically from class 8, how to convert. But if you know, it's always better to know a little bit more. So this conversion is easy, converting minute to hour, and then this is kilometer per hour. Then length of the street is distance, and distance is speed into time. So kindly pause the video and copy. So next question is very practical question, children. A girl Madhu is there. Distance from her house to school is 7.5 kilometer. Okay. And she starts from her home at 7:45 and reaches the school at 8:15 a.m. So if you use common sense, 7:45 to 8:15 will be 30 minutes, which is 30 by 60. If you divide, minute becomes hour. So she takes half an hour. So from 8:15 a.m., 7:45 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. is half an hour. So if you have understood this, well and good. Otherwise, one difficult way will be you take 7 here, add 60 to this, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So this becomes 75. From 7 o'clock, 75 minutes more. Then you subtract 7:45. You will get 30 minutes. But generally this common sense is better. So what I do, you cannot subtract 15 minus 45, children. So take 1 hour from here, you add 60 to this. Okay. So this will be 7. When you add 60, this is 8, you get 775. So if you subtract, you will get 30 minutes, then convert. But easiest thing is to use your common sense. And it's very easy, children. What is her speed? Speed is distance by time. See the first formula, 7.5. Time is half an hour. So here half you divide, and speed will be in kilometer per hour, because this is in kilometer and this is in hour. So 7.5 divided by half. Okay, kilometer per hour. Now, when division becomes multiplication, 2 goes up. So her speed is 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, and I doubt man or woman cannot walk with this speed. She must be going in a rickshaw or some vehicle, because man's average speed is around 4 kilometer per hour. So half an hour she could have traveled only 2 kilometers. So here her speed is 15, so half an hour she travels 7.5 kilometers. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to next question. So if you see nicely, children, I was saying she is using a rickshaw, but the question is saying she cycles down. So cycle can go up to this speed of 15 kilometer per hour. So 7.5 kilometers, children, is quite a good distance. You may see some values, but in real life it's quite a good distance. Okay, from here to maybe Chaurasta, if you go this side in the Diamond Harbour Road. Okay, so she uses a cycle. Okay, otherwise I told walking was not possible. So now we move on to the last question of this session, where we say an aeroplane speed is 900 km per hour. What is the distance covered in 2 hours 15 minutes? So first part we have to find distance, and in the second part, what is the time taken to cover a distance of 3150 kilometers. So see what a practical application. But I'll tell you, this is the speed of fighter plane, children, because I'm very interested in aeronautics and space. So I read a lot. This is a very high speed. For any passenger plane travels with speed of 400 kilometers roughly. Okay, so lot of study I have done. There is no time to discuss now. So time is given. So first thing is you convert time fully into hour. So this will be 15 by 60 hour. This is 1/4. So this will directly become 2 1/4. If this is the name proper fraction, children, simply add. Otherwise there is another long way. 2 plus 1/4, take LCM 4. Ultimately you will get 9/4 hour only, children. Okay, so see here, LCM will be, this will be 8 plus 1. So ultimately you will get, so directly if this is a proper fraction, less than 1, 2 plus 1/4 is 2 1/4, convert it to your improper fraction, mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is another way. So finally, what is the distance, children? Distance is speed into time, 900. So distance will be in kilometer, because this is in hour and this is in kilometer. 900 into time is 9/4 kilometer. Okay, distance we have to find. So here you can cancel with 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 will be there. 4 2s are 8. Okay. 4 2s are 8, 2 will be there, 4 5s are 20. So 225 into 9. So you multiply, you get the answer. Okay. So 9 5s are 45. We get 4, 9 2s are 18 and 4 22. We have 2, 9 2s are 18. So I think this much kilometer is the answer. So you can multiply and check. So kindly pause the video and copy, then I do the last part of this last question in today's video lesson. So last part, children, we have to find the time. So time is, children, distance by speed. Distance is 3150 kilometer and speed is 900, children. Time will be in hours. This is in kilometer and this is in kilometer per hour. So we cancel. Okay. This you cancel by 5. You get 18. This you cancel by 5. 5 6 are 31, 63. Again we can cancel by 9, you can cancel with 3, 9 2s are, 9 7s are, so we get 7/2 hours. So this cancellation, children, you have to practice. So we get 3.5 hours. The plane will cover a distance of 3150 kilometer. You can do it logically. If this speed 900, 1 hour 900, next hour 900. Whether our answer is right or not, we are going to check. 900 in another half hour, it will cover exactly the half, 450 kilometer. So 2700 plus 450, you will get 3150 kilometers. So you can use your mental maths and logical method. Mental maths way is always a better way. And as I told you, children, this is a very high speed. So your fighter aircraft, I doubt any passenger aircraft travels with this speed. So anyway, children, so we come to the end of this topic, speed, distance and time. So kindly do solved example also and do all the unsolved example again. Thank you, children. for watching this video lesson.